Well, here it is coming up on the middle of April, and I'm sure a lot of you are staying at home, maybe by governor's orders, maybe by not. In Michigan, the governor just extended the stay-at-home order through April 30th. So here's just a real quick video, not really a pocket dump since I don't have a lot in my pockets, but to show you how we carry on a business at home. Welcome to Riders Range. Thanks for joining us. And in the comments below, drop some ideas on what you're doing to keep busy staying at home, whether you're working at home or just doing some unplanned vacation at home. Let me know what's going on. So I'm dressed casual. No, I don't have PJs on. We're still trying to get at least some semblance of normalcy here. So I get up every morning and I still shave and I still get dressed, although it is pretty casual. So what do I have when I'm working from home? Well, besides a good view, where I sit here at my dining room table makeshift office, I do get to look out front, see up the private road, see if anything is coming my way, and watch for the mail. Not that we're getting a lot of mail nowadays. So, and my wife is very patient in putting up with the mess on the dining room table. It's not normally like this. Fortunately, years ago at my office, we did set up the ability to work from anywhere I can get an internet connection. So for the next few weeks, this is my office, and actually I'm busier now than when we weren't under this quarantine. So on with what we are carrying daily. Dan Wesson ECO 9mm. This is loaded, so I'm not going to take it down at this point. I'm going to put it back where it belongs, and that is in my holster by Lobo Gun Leather. We did a video on that. I'll post a link up here, and or is it going to be up here? Well, it'll be up there anyway. Post a link to the video we did on the Lobo Gun Leather. So that's how this particular gun rides. Normally I'm in a leather holster with that particular gun. I like that 1911. We just did a video on that here a couple episodes ago on the Great Affordable 1911 series, and as you know, it's still my general go-to gun. On the other side of the belt, oh, by the way, this belt is the Core Essentials leather gun belt, and it depends on, I've got black, I've got a tan to go with tan holster. It depends on what I'm wearing. You know, I can't have tan holster and belt going with black shoes, so we'll work that out. But anyway, on the other side, I've got the Lobo pouch that I had made that has a Wilson 10-round magazine with Federal 124 grain HSTs in front. And in the back, I have my Fenix PD35 flashlight. And yes, everywhere I go, I've got the flashlight. So that's it on the belt. Let's see, right pocket. Right pocket is the Benchmade Griptilian. Again, I've got this in black and tan. You got to be color conscious here. And that rides in the right pocket almost every day. Left pocket is a Fenix PD25. Why two flashlights? Well, why not? Having two is like having one is like having none. Can't say the same for the gun, but there have been times that I've used the little flashlight for just to illuminate things, to read better, the big flashlight to look in something, even daytime, to look in crevices for something when I'm down at the reloading bench. At the office, there have been times that I've used both flashlights during the day for one reason or another, so I do keep them on. I do have one other thing in the pocket, and that is a micro Leatherman. And that, again, is the kind of do everything. I don't carry a big Leatherman on the belt, but it's handy to keep this one in the pocket. Normally I'd have a money clip, I'd have car keys, I'd have a wallet. We're not doing any of that at home, so that's it. Around the house, there's always something strapped on the side, or occasionally if I'm outdoors, it's in the pocket. But again, just one of those be prepared type situations. A lot of people will stash guns in various places around the house. I won't say that we don't have any stashed here, but a gun on the hip is a whole lot quicker to reach than a gun stashed somewhere, even if it's right next to you. It's always more convenient to have one right on you. Again, not paranoid, just prepared. So we're in a safe neighborhood, but it's one of those things where you carry every day, not just some days. If you could predict when something was going to happen where you'd need a gun, well, I don't know about you, but if I could predict that, I'd call in sick that day, or I wouldn't be there, or if I had to be there, I'd be heavily armored, head to toe with the highest level of body armor I could get, along with an AR and a shotgun and a whole platoon with me. But we can't predict that, so we carry what we can, and that's what we're doing here at Riders Range. We haven't been cranking out too many videos lately, mainly because I've been a little busy during this whole shutdown. We'll try to get some more up, try to get 2 or 3 more up this coming week if all goes well. But again, drop in the comments down there how you're handling things during this shutdown period, if you're working at home or not. Just let us know what's going on. Let's get a discussion going. And if you like these videos in general, we appreciate a thumbs up. Always subscribe, hit the notifications so that you'll be notified of the next Riders Range video. Any comments in general, anything that you'd like to see, drop a line to info@ridersrange.com. Check our website to see what's happening, and that's www.ridersrange.com, and that's Riders without the apostrophe. There's a hyphen between Riders and Range. Once again, we want to thank you for visiting Riders Range, and please stay safe.